Smart AOV Controller LK H100 Introduction. This video will introduce the AOV controller, LK H100. Let's open this carton. Then you'll see the AOV controller host inside. And this is the remote which in use with the AOV controller. Then the desktop charger stands for the remote. Inside this box there is a power adapter for the controller, and the charging cable and data cable. Let's check the controller interface. In this front panel we can see 4 LED indicators. The first indicator for power status, second for controller running status, the third for IR status, and IR learner for the fourth indicator. There is a serial code on the label at the bottom of the machine to facilitate remote debugging and after-sales service. From this label, you can also find information such as the device model and matching power supply, etc. On the back of the controller host, you can from left to right at the power supply input and the reset port, the USB serial interface for Tuya and other third-party smart home system, HDMI output for high-density displayer for TV, amplifier or projector or monitor, etc. Then RJ45 shielded Ethernet jack for LAN and internet connections. The antenna interface above can be connected to a 2.4 grams antenna for communication between the remote and the controller host. This is used for dry contact input and output. There are 4 inputs and 4 outputs in total. Dry contact can also be used for the third-party system integration. Here are 4 sets of RS232 interfaces that can connect a total of 4 devices that support RS232 communication. There are also 6 sets of infrared output interfaces that can be used to send the infrared control commands out to corresponding infrared devices. The controller set is also equipped with a multifunction button remote with a built-in 1200 mAh rechargeable lithium battery with a standby time of 1 week. The indicator light in the upper right corner of the remote lights up red, indicating that the battery is low and needs to be charged. The charging method of the remote is very simple. You only need to connect the charging base to the power supply, and then place the remote on the charging base to charge the remote. The breathing light on the charging base will keep breathing. After it is fully charged, the breathing light will become always on. There is also a small white box in the kit, which contains a power supply adapter for the host, a charging adapter and a USB charging power cord for the remote. Two sets of dry contact connectors and 1 set of the 2.4 GHz antenna. After the host is connected to the antenna and then paired with the remote through the antenna, the remote can communicate with the host through the antenna and control the host. Thanks for watching.